All right, look at this fun problem. This is number 6 in your homework, and we're given that two triangles RST. Let's just kind of look at what we've given here. RST, so that's this big triangle right there. That squiggly marks means it's similar, so it's similar to triangle YSZ, which is just this smaller triangle right there. Okay, so there's kind of, our triangles overlap on this one. So I'm still going to write, let's just write that this one is our T right up there, and the bigger one is on the bottom. Okay, so we've got a top and a bottom still. Now, trying to figure out which is a little tricky. So in our top triangle, notice right here, well, let's do a different color. Notice right here, this side right here belongs to that top triangle. So 2x plus 2 is one of our sides. Now the other side right here, we actually don't know. Okay, we know that the whole long side is 40. Notice that this from here to here is 40. We know this little part right here is just 5. So to find the side of our triangle, we're going to have to subtract that 5 from 40. So that's going to give us, that side is going to be equal to 35. So that's a little trick that they threw into this problem right here. Okay, so those are the two sides of our top triangle. Now, we've got to figure out what they're proportionate to. So notice this YZ. So YZ, here's Y and here's Z. They're the first and the last letters of one of my triangle. So look at the other triangle. First and last are R to T. So they're going to be proportionate to this 3x minus 7. That's a fun 3x minus 7 right there. Okay, and then this side over here that we chose from S to Z, notice S to Z are my last two, so they're going to be proportionate with the last two over here, which are S to T. That whole long length, which they told me was 40. Okay, again, that's the hardest part, is just setting up that nice, lovely similarity statement, and then you go ahead and solve it. You're just going to multiply. I'm going to write my 40 first. 40 times 2x plus 2 is equal to 35 times 3x minus 7. All right, let's go ahead and distribute. 40 times 2x is 80x. 40 times 2 is 80. That's equal to 35 times 3x is 105x. And 35 times negative 7, 35 times 7 is negative 245. And then we can go ahead and get our x's on the same side. Let's see, there's more x's on the right. So let's move them all to the right. We're going to subtract 80x from both sides. So I still have the 80 over here. This is equal to 25x minus 245. Now, again, we're going to scroll down just a little to give me some more room. Now let's add 245 to both sides. And 245 plus, plus 80 is 325. That's equal to 25x. And nicely, they both divide by 25. So I know x here is equal to 325 divided by 25, which is 13. Very good. Now, before you circle that answer, though, go back up. Is this what they wanted? Did they want us to say that x is equal to 13? No, they wanted the side between y and z. So find y and z. Here's, let's do some blue. Here's y, here's z. So they want this side right there. All you're going to do is substitute your 13 in for your x. So 2 times x, or 2 times 13 plus 2. 2 times 13 is 26. 26 plus 2 is equal to 28. And you found YZ.